a brand new account. I am, because, like, I got a brand new PC for Christmas. Hope you all by the way, I hope you all enjoyed your Christmas, had a good Christmas. Got everything you wanted. And one of the things I got was this amazing gaming PC. So this is a new account, as you can see, Jackinator and Jackinator. I'm level 8 and I'm level 8 and I have 9 Apex packs. Apex packs. So let's just open just one, because I want to save my packs. Oh, and guys, as you can see, I just got a legendary item. What is it? Wait, what? Who's this for? This looks so sick. Who's it for? Test pilot? Crypto. Now guys, as you can actually see, I have 8 packs remaining. I'm going to save those. But as you can see, this is a brand new account. I don't have that much stuff on it. Like, if I go to my legends, I don't even have that much currency. As you can see, I only have 3,000 legend tokens. And it's 12,000 to unlock just one character. And it's going to take me a long time. But let's just hop into a game. Apex. And as you can see, I am on mouse and keyboard playing this. I do have a controller, but like you got mouse and keyboard. So I'm gonna be trying out mouse and keyboard. I do have a controller I can play with. So I played on controller before, so mouse and keyboard isn't that easy. But hey, let's try it. So let's just wait for it until I get into a match. Yeah. Man, this thing's taking forever. Oh, take that back. I'm in a game. So let's see. Mouse and keyboard, hasn't been going too well. I haven't been getting that good of a game. I did get one pretty decent, pretty good game.
I know where we want to be. Follow me.
And as you guys can see, I am in colorblind mode.
I am ready.
So this
I hope you are too.
So I'm gonna turn this off. Dude, stop spamming Pathfinder. Stop spamming character select. That is so annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna open this page up. Go to settings, go to gameplay, come down. This hurts my eyes, so I'm turning that off. There we go. As you guys can see, big difference in color. As you can see. And
I say we land here.
A lot of me.
yeah, we're gonna die straight.
Let's land here. Let's go this way.
Oh, fine. I guess we could
Going
go
to explore
here.
over there.
As you guys can see in the top right corner, right over there, is it's actually
I'm getting hit over here.
no.
Phasing.
You can't knock me down. She literally hit me while I was going into my face. How is that fair? How is that
The
fair?
enemies are shooting
I feel
at
like
me.
I'm gonna die. As you can see, I can press E.
Firing.
I am on mouse and keyboard, but I'm about to die. So I'm gonna take
Recharging
this
shields.
Mozambique, and as you can see, I hear the Wraith coming.
Enemy spotted. I'm attacking here.
Only you and me left.
That's our friend's banner. We should grab it.
Guys, as you can see, I'm trying to bunny hop
Going to phase. There may be a shooter nearby.
Help
Grappling.
me! Teammate!
Giving my shields a recharge.
Help me!
I am repairing myself. Target spotted.
Let's see, I need...
Who's ready to fly on a zipline?
Remember,
I am.
Hey, why did you put that up there?
Zipline here.
Okay, I'm gonna go revive our...
Hostile
this
close.
Reloading.
Ah,
Void one.
don't let him kill me! I will not die to the hands of the sweaty player!
Reload. The ring's closing in.
Dang, you just fried me! No, fry me! Fry them!
Hostile close.
No, I'm going to die in the lava! No stopping me! Don't stop me! Now how will you get me? No, he's a sweaty wingman user! I hate sweaty. Come on, you got this, buddy. Get him. This guy isn't that good. Dead. Oh, I take that back. He's really good. Woo! Come on. You got this. Don't let them win. Oh. Good try, man. GG's. Look at that. My teammate's so good. 821 damage? Mouse and keyboard is so hard. Ugh. Why'd you put that on, sis? They can hear that in the background. You know, I'm really... Wait, I need to be level 10. I only need 2 levels then. Wraith is kind of a hard player to use. But guys, as you can see, I have 8 Apex packs. And if I go not to the battle pass, is it? Don't know what it is. I'm so bad with mouse and keyboard. Wait, what was I looking at again? Alright, here guys. If I actually used my keyboard, my controller, I know what to use. Look at that. So right there, it says that time survived, and my next reward is another Apex pack. So when I get to level 9, I get another Apex pack. Isn't that so awesome? Wait. Let me see. Did it stop recording? Oh, no, it's still recording. That's good. Okay. I've gone 9 minutes. How much longer can I go for? Oh, quarters up. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I am actually playing Wraith, and here, as the match is starting, let me just read you her abilities real quick. Her passive is called Voices from the Void. Basically, you hear a voice when danger is approaching. As far as you can tell, it's on your side. Basically, when everyone looks at you, or like if there's traps, like gas traps, or if there's like a sniper, it tells you, it says it. And then Into the Void is basically, it allows you to quickly escape through the safety of the void space, and basically you can't take any damage, and you get like a 30% increase or a 40% increase in movement speed. And her ultimate is called Dimensional Rift. Basically, you can create a portal, and you can basically just take that portal to like a complete other spot. And there used to be a really very annoying glitch where someone could just like pretty much just make infinite portals. Or there was another glitch where someone could have an infinite phase, and basically they could never take damage.
I know where we want to be.
So that was kind of
Follow me.
annoying. But I mean, hey. It's Apex Legends.
This is gonna be fun, brother.
And as you can see, I'm not playing Wraith right now. I'm playing Gibraltar. He's a fat guy, but
It's only over when it's
he
over.
is like pretty much, he's the OP character in this game. Like, it is so, it's just so hard for people to beat Gibraltar. Because like,
your champion.
they seriously need to nerf him so badly. Like, it's not even funny how powerful he is. He's just too OP. Like, they nerfed his dome
Looks
shield
like I'm the jump master.
and got his gun shield. And his gun shield is basically whenever you aim down sights.
This might be a good place to land.
Copy that.
Basically,
Here we
whenever
go.
you aim down
Hang tight.
sights, well then, it just creates a very small shield. And it's so hard to beat a Gibraltar with that. And then his dome shield, they reduce the amount of seconds it takes. They reduce the amount of seconds it takes to despawn. Why? Oh my. Guys. And he stole my flipping. He stole my flipping.
Gotta hop
bag.
up here.
Is that? This is so bad. I don't even really have a good gun.
First blood.
You're saying you have a gun.
Don't shield out.
Beginning ring countdown.
Spotted. Taken fire.
We're inside.
Get you through my gun shield. I'm just trying to run away because I know I can't beat him. It's like there's a jump pad. Yeah, I just can't beat that guy. So, hey, I got a syringe, so I'll just...
Healing up.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. I'm down.
Okay, there's this
Reload. Enemy contact with target. Come on with ya. See, never mind.
I'm gonna try and get a gun. I'm gonna hurry back to my teammates. Okay, there we go. What call do I not need? Okay. Actually,
Need to recharge my shields.
as you can see, benefit of mouse and keyboard.
Making contact with enemy. We've got another squad. Hostile right here.
Just you and me now, brother. We
Okay,
can do
buddy.
this.
Coming.
Enemy down.
Don't let them beat you. I'm coming. I got a really good gun. I'm gonna. Okay.
Reload.
New kill.
I'm spotted. Taking fire. We're taking out the champion.
I'm so sorry,
I'm
buddy.
down.
Attention. The kill leader has been eliminated.
I'm coming, buddy.
Contact.
There.
Don't shield out. Don't worry, my brother. You're gonna be okay. Gibraltar's here.
And yeah, guys. Basically, if you revive someone in the dome shield, then basically
Recharging my
just
shields.
you can revive them a lot faster and.
Contact with target. I'm taking a shot.
See, this is kind of difficult. It's a Gibraltar. Where is he? Oh, he's in there.
We say we move. Hostile close.
I'm going. I'm coming. And as you guys can see, when you're in a death box, you can pretty much just totally annihilate. So you can move. And you can't do that on controller. It's just not possible. And I like that feature a lot. And guys, if I press B, I can change this to single fire. Quite useful, in my opinion. And
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
We're all inside the ring.
Right's here. Right's here. She's at the front door. Oh, she's over here.
Contact with hostile. Contact.
We'll be getting the last laugh out of you.
Attention.
It's gonna be
Delivering
coming
care
up the
package.
stairs, I swear it.
Hey, care package. I love these things. Hostile close.
Wait, oh yeah. Do I have any? Yes, I do. I swear she's here. Okay, you shouldn't be doing that. You shouldn't have your grenade out that. Like that. I swear he's somewhere. He's here. I know he is. As you can see, mouse and keyboard. It's really easy for just turning around. It's a waste. And as you can see, this gun shield comes out. I might play a Valorant. Nah, I'm not gonna play it. No. I swear I hear that wraith. Who was just shooting? Must have been that sweaty TTV. I swear I hear.
Standard stock here. Level 2.
Thank you, buddy.
Thanks.
Thank me
swear
when
I
we
hear
win.
them.
You hear me?
I hear them shooting, but where? Sorry if my keyboard's a
New
little
kill leader
noisy.
appointed.
Pressing the keys.
We got ourselves a new kill leader.
Oh, they're reviving over there.
Hostile over there.
Okay. Let's go.
Copy that.
Got my ult. If you didn't know, his ult, bombardment, it basically just, it's awesome, okay guys? It basically just sends out like a bombardment, like it just shoots missiles from the sky.
Hostile right here. Let's check out this way.
Off the squad's left.
Oh, I saw her. She just said a
Enemy spotted.
See.
Over here. Reload.
And then we just fried her.
Making contact with enemy. Hostile right here. Heads up. Check out this way.
PC2. As you can see, this TTV or Wraith, whatever you want to call
Round
it.
2. Beginning ring countdown.
Fire, brothers. Shield up.
As you can see, you actually
Give me my shield to
heal
recharge.
faster. Though, yeah, that's kind of useful.
Replicator.
Hey, replicator falling from the skies.
Listen up, stop that.
Taking fire, brothers.
Pass me that sugar.
Dude, you don't even, you wasted that. You're literally wasting that. You're giving that to the enemy. Actually, where are they? I want to bombard them with my ult.
Listen, target spotted.
Hey, getting shot.
Holy guacamole.
Recharging shields.
I just love
Just
this.
give him my shield to recharge.
I'm getting shot.
Oh my god, I can't even use this properly. Oh my god.
Recharging shields.
I'm gonna use the little thingies. I hate snipers. assault. He's coming after us. If you guys didn't know what Epic does, it basically allows you to like run faster, I guess. How?
Not too far. We should
How
hustle.
did he scan me? So that's garbage. Let's go. Oh,
Contact.
oh no, it's so creeped up.
Damn, get
Ah,
shot.
what?
Using a Phoenix
Oh,
kit.
no, no. Right over here.
Hold up.
I'm going to just
Using a Phoenix kit.
heal real quick. Oh, my thing heals faster.
Listen up, the ring's moving.
Don't rush me, don't rush me.
Contact with target.
It's not got another squad headed.
Airstrike.
Oh, what? That's supposed to be my thingy. I like to do the airstrikes.
I'm hit. Could use some help.
Llama Sardine up. Deploying hit drone.
Dang it! That sucks. Oh well, what did I get? Oh my god, at least a decent score. 100 damage.
Don't worry, I'm
Pretty
here.
good. 1,000 damage. That guy's pretty good. Yeah. This was a lot of fun. Can I do Among Us? Hey, can I do Among Us? Hey. So guys, this is so much fun, but I think I'm going to be playing a little bit of Among Us, because as you can see, I have this whole thing. I have Apex, I have Fortnite, I have Among Us, Bleeding Edge, and Valorant. I'm going to play some Among Us. You guys, everyone has been playing Among Us lately. So, on my PC, I also have Among Us. If I'm being honest, I think I've been playing this the most. So yeah, let's go online, find a game, go 2 imposters? 1 imposter, cycle? Game's full. Surprised, honestly. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's see. Am I? Yes, guys. Standing still. If you stand still, most of the time you get imposter. At least I'm pretty sure. As you can see, my very first game of Among Us, I happened to. And guys, do I have? Yeah, admin swipe card. And guys, I'm just gonna frame the. Oh, okay, I'm done with my card swipe. Guys, I'm gonna. Hey, buddy. Guys, I'm going to sabotage electrical, and then everyone's gonna be in a group. At least I hope. I'm gonna do electrical. Come on, Red. Come on, Red. Come on. You got this. Dude, I could kill you. Get out from under there. You dummy. I'm going to kill you. I'm so close to pressing that kill button. But guys, hopefully they don't realize sabotage and kill everyone. I'm going to go to security. There's red. There's blue. Oh, they're all going there. Let's go there, guys. As you guys see, I am pretty much a corpse. A black, decaying corpse. See that? I am the undead, and now you, my friends, you will lose your life for going into there. Right there. Ooh, I could have killed Blue. Dang it! I got there just out of time. I'm gonna sabotage O2. Oh wait, right as I move. Guys, you can literally move while you're sabotaging, so there's one there. Come on guys, come on, you gotta do it, you gotta fix it. Come on, you gotta fix it. You gotta fix it. Oh, oxygen depleting. Oh wait, this isn't the right room, is it? Oh, it's O2. This is so funny. Now guys, with all of us there, oh, I just want to kill one person, but I can't. They're all. I want some.
No, he stopped for a while. He's on his last one.
I'm recording. Oh, I'm imposter. I just wanna nibble on your toes. Oh, I'm gonna sabotage O2 again. Oh, again. Oh, wait, what? Wait, I can fix them? What is this? 80577. Now let's go to O2. Oh, wait, no. No! Lena! I can't kill if... No. You guys are too smart. No, not a meeting. What? I don't know why my cap suddenly. What? Why? Oh. Guys, I'm gonna skip. I'm just gonna skip. Potato. Where did Potato go? I swear, I did not kill Potato. I will vote blue if you don't talk. Oh. Look at this guy. Black. It is so convenient. One is sus. Okay, who's one? Oh, it's red. I just voted skip. Oh. Okay. It's literally, I'm the imposter. This is so funny. Can I win? Come on, 60 seconds. Guys, just vote. Just vote. What is that? Who? What is that? Wait, what? Who? What is that? That makes no sense. Nothing. This is so funny. They're gonna sabotage something, and then I'm going to just kill everyone there, and then and then everyone's gonna run, including me, and it's just skip. It's skip, huh? Yeah, no one was ejected. Tie. So guys, I'm the imposter, and I think I will sabotage. I think I will sabotage this.
Okay, Google, stop. Wrap up that game, Jack.
What?
Wrap up that game. The timer just went off.
I know. Oh,
Yeah.
I sabotaged you too. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We need to go to O2. We need to go to O2. I need to sabotage again, but I can't. Oh wait, no, it's the wrong place. It's O2, I forgot. Sabotaging O2, the oxygen, I'm about to win in 5 seconds if no one does the oxygen.